Hello, dear class, and welcome to our very first lecture on microeconomics. And I'm your instructor, Jamal Haider. So, regarding my brief introduction, so I'm a PhD scholar of finance here in Donghua University as well. I hope I would be, a PhD full scholar, graduated from Donghua University with this semester as well. And also, I'm a CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. It's a US professional degree. Also, I'm a MBA Finance as well. So I've been associated with Donghua University CIP from the last 5 years, and this is my short, introduction. I have also professional experience regarding other universities as well, and some asset management, wealth management experience as well. So it's time for you to have a short introduction. So what I would like that please turn on your video and you need to introduce yourself with 3 questions. Your name, so that I can pronounce your name properly, since we are, having a very diverse class, almost, many people around the world, more than 10, I think, countries. So it's better if I pronounce your name properly. If I couldn't, please don't offend. Don't be offended, because I also have pronunciation problem. I don't know your cultural name or something, so you can also tell me your nickname as well. So your name, your nationality, so that I can grasp the the stuff where is my total class is diversified. And also tell me that whether you have already studied the economics before or not. So we will start from, so this is Nam Siriwan, right? Nam, we can't hear you. Maybe, yeah, please.
Can anyone go first? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay. My name is Siriwan, but you can call me Nam. I'm from Thailand.
And have you ever studied economics before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay. And then we have Faik, right?
Yes, Faik. I'm from Libya, and studied IB economics in high school and macroeconomics last semester.
Okay, very nice, Faik. And we have, I think, Pinyo Kim, right?
Pinyo, I'm from Thailand. I study macroeconomic before.
Okay, good. And then we have Isaac, right?
Correct. Isaac from Brazil has studied macroeconomics and took a bit of economics back in high school as well.
Okay, good, Isaac. Then we have Subhan, right?
Right, sir. My name is Subhan. I'm from Azerbaijan. I have studied macroeconomics.
Good. And then we have Han Jun Kim, right?
Yep. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, my name is Hyunjun Kim, and I'm from Korea. I've studied macroeconomics last semester.
You studied microeconomics last semester or macro?
No, macro.
Okay, good. Do you have any background of microeconomics before?
Not really.
Okay. And then I think we have Sofiane.
Yeah, that's me, Usama Minani. I'm from Algeria.
Okay.
And I studied macro, and I'm taking microeconomics this semester.
Okay, so have you ever, studied micro in your high school or any?
Not really. In my high school, my major was mathematics.
Okay. Good. And then we have Maria, right?
Hi, my name is Mireia. I'm from Spain, and last semester I did macroeconomics.
You are Miriam.
Mireia.
Okay, Miriam. Okay. So you're from Spain, and have you ever any kind of have like background introduction of microeconomics?
Well, I did macroeconomics last semester, but like nothing about microeconomics.
Okay. Okay. And then we have Dijodi.
Yes, sir. I'm from Indonesia. My name is Leonardo Jody Jovi Paulus.
So can I call you Jody or Dijodi?
Jody. Jody, yes.
Jody. Okay. Have you ever have any kind of background, information
To be
regarding
honest, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Okay. Do we have anyone else left? We have Rodrigo, right?
Yes, my name is Rodrigo. I'm from Bolivia. I have had AP Microecon back in high school, and last semester I had macro.
Okay, good, good, good. Then we have Milane, or it's Mimi, right?
Yeah, hi. My name is Mylène, but you can call me Mimi, is my nickname.
Okay.
I'm from France,
Mm-hmm.
and last semester I did macroeconomic too.
Okay, do you have any idea regarding microeconomics before? Have you studied in your high school?
I studied in high school a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
but it was a long time ago.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, then we have, I think, Paulo.
Yes, my name is João Paulo, and I'm from Brazil. And last semester I did macroeconomics, macroeconomics.
So, okay, okay. So I call you Paul, right?
Yeah, you can call me Paulo or John, whatever you.
Okay.
It's easy for you.
Perfect, perfect. Then we have Marlene.
My name is Marilyn. I'm from Bolivia, and last semester I also studied macroeconomics.
Micro or macro?
Macro.
Okay, okay, okay. Then we have David.
Hi, I'm David. I'm from London, England. And last semester I studied macroeconomics.
Okay, have you ever, studied micro before?
I think he touched on it very briefly last semester, but nothing too much.
Okay, okay. Anyone else left?
You didn't do me.
Yeah, sure. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Jacob. I'm from Denmark.
Yeah.
Last semester I did macroeconomics, like many of the others.
Okay.
And I've never studied microeconomics. I have an idea of what it is, but I've never studied it. So.
Okay, 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 okay. Don't worry, don't worry. And then I think, yeah, Leonardo we already did, right? Anyone else? Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, so the most important part for you guys to know the exam policy, how you are going to be evaluated. So I have designed this course as 10% attendance, 30% assignment. And assignments, what do we mean by assignments? Assignments means I will be also giving you some unannounced quizzes, also some classwork, class questioning and answering, also class activities as well. And also I would be adding the behavior in class marks, and that varies from class to class. I didn't decide it yet. Maybe 5% class behavior, maybe 5% question answers, and question maybe 5% quizzes, or maybe I combine these quizzes and question answers together as 5%. So that give you the room. But I would be giving maximum marks if you submit the assignments on time. So consider the maximum mark more than 25% from assignments. Okay? And the midterm, 30%, 30% final. Wait. Right? So if you pay close attention to this exam policy, so see, the passing marks are 60, right? So 30% is in your hand and 10% also is in your hand. It means 40% marks of this course is in your hand or in your hands, right? So you just need 20%. So if you submit your assignments on time and if you attend the class, the merely attending the class is going to give you 10%, right? And there are different, flavors for this attendance. For example, you have, you are sick, or you ask permission from the, office or something else. So remember, the CIP has a rule of 70% attendance, right?
Can I ask you?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, for the attendance, there is the difference of timelining, and like for me, I'm gonna have some difficulty to attend all the classes.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, if someone have difficulty to attend the class and he send you to an email before the class, so you're gonna look through it, I think.
Okay, so I'm just going to that point as well. So it's good that you ask. So if you cannot attend the class and you have some kind of problem, you need to email to the office, mentioning that you have this kind of like arrangement, or maybe the timing issue, or maybe you have something, so that you do not violate this 70% attendance rule, right? If you